Product review number 1. Another model with easy setup. Netgear EX6150, range, 1200 square foot, bandwidth, dual. Reasons to buy. Simple setup. Good range. Good physical aesthetics. Mesh enabled. Reasons to avoid. Expensive. Right out of the box, the Netgear EX6150 stood out to us with how easy the setup process was. The Netgear Nighthawk app allows you to automatically set up the extender using their Smart Connect mesh system without having to rename a network or reconnect all of your devices to a new network. This simple process, coupled with a wall plug design and lack of wires, will have you boosting your signal in a matter of mere minutes. However, this model has only one Ethernet port, so if you're looking to hardwire several devices straight into your extender, this is not the one. The EX6150 is also on the pricey side. Despite that, if you're looking for an extender that seamlessly integrates with your current wireless system, we think that it's worth the time saved. Product review number 2. A solid dual-band Wi-Fi extender with a classic look. Bros Trend Wi-Fi extender, range, 1200 square foot, bandwidth, dual. Reasons to buy. Includes Ethernet plug and cable. Decent looks. Reasons to avoid. So-so speed. Not the easiest setup. We like that the Bros Trend AC1200 package includes an Ethernet cable for its port located on the bottom of the unit. Its classic look of a small box with 2 antennas isn't quite as snazzy as other models but is also much less of a mess to look at than the models with several antennas. During our internet speed trials, the Bros Trend finished in the middle of the road compared to the other models in our review. We weren't fans of the setup for this device. Although it does have a WPS button function for pairing with a router, Bros Trend does not have an app, so you'll need to navigate to their website to create the administrator login and password for the extender and then write it down on a piece of paper for backup. Product review number 3. Good Wi-Fi extender with a snappy signal indicator. D-Link DAP 1720 range, 1100 square foot, bandwidth, dual. Reasons to buy. Decent speed. Signal indicator. Reasons to avoid. Setup is a bit of a pain. Aesthetics leave something to be desired. Top heavy. With a range of 1100 square feet and an Ethernet cable port, the D-Link DAP 1720 is a pretty solid Wi-Fi extender and a solid choice for a wall plug model for someone who requires a decent amount of range. We found the signal indicator to be handy for letting users know their connectivity level with the primary router. This model finished reasonably well for a dual-band model during our speed tests. With its 3 antennas, we didn't think the DAP 1720 had the most modern-looking aesthetics, so if you're looking for a more sleek device design, this isn't the one. It's also a bit top-heavy, and it nearly falls out in certain outlets. The setup process for the D-Link system seems a bit dated when compared to the models that have apps associated with them. A configuration card with passwords and codes is included in this package that could easily get lost. Product review number 4. An OK Wi-Fi extender at an OK price. AMAKE Super Boost, range, 800 square foot, bandwidth, 2.4 GHz. Reasons to buy. Ethernet port and cable. Access point mode. Reasons to avoid. Awkward shape. Complicated setup. You can set up the AMAKE Super Boost in a repeater mode for stronger wireless coverage or an AP mode. Once set up, its access point capabilities let you plug it directly into a modem to create a small area of Wi-Fi. However, most hotels and restaurants do not have their modem out for public access. Most places have wireless routers plugged into their modems, making this a bit of a useless feature, except in particular situations. The AMAKE also protrudes from the wall a bit, giving it an awkward look. The setup process for the Super Boost is convoluted and requires the user to enter their current Wi-Fi password into a questionable website. This device would make a good choice for someone who needs a wireless signal projected directly from the router over a minimal area and is willing to sacrifice a little bit of security. Product review number 5. All-new Wi-Fi extender signal booster for home. Brand Netfun. Color black. Included components no. About this item. Covers to 9,956 square ft, 4 external antennas, and advanced central processor to better extend wireless signal to hard-to-reach areas, coverage up to 9,956 square feet and connects up to 40 devices. Stable Wi-Fi signal extends. This powerful 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi repeater pairs with our 2.4 GHz processor provides high-speed and stable Wi-Fi signal all over your house. Expand Wi-Fi coverage for your smartphones, Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, Alexa Echo Ring, etc. Easy to set up, no longer need to standing around waiting for light to activation like other router extender. Simply press WPS button of router and repeater in seconds and you can easily extend the wireless coverage. Take it out, plug in, press. IT worked. High compatibility and security. NetFun wireless network extender can be used with any 802.11n wireless router or gateway to facilitate WPA, WPA2 security protocols that make your local bank jealous. Easily extend the range of your home Wi-Fi network and keep all your devices connected without having to purchase more equipment. 5 working. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.